All right, all right. This is how to create a Goodreads account and join our book club at Miss Bird's class. All right. So, what I'm going to do is when you are on the page, you can see the directions here. Okay. It says sign up for a Goodreads account. So, what I did was I logged out and I'm going to pretend like I am signing up for an account. It says that you may look at the web. So Goodreads you can go to goodreads.com or you can literally download the app on Android and Apple devices. Okay, so here I go. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at what I'm looking at. Okay, so it's going to take you to a similar page where it's asking you to sign in. Obviously, you can't sign in, so you're going to sign up. So make sure that you click on that link. Okay, it keeps wanting to use my previous account, but I'm going to sign up with a new account. So let's see. Oh, whoops. I wrote in the wrong search bar. Okay. Blah blah blah. Skip that. Skip all this. I mean, you can do it if you have time, but I just want you to okay. So then y'all can honestly do all of that. I don't mind. I'm just gonna skip all of that because I'm not really using this. I'm gonna go back to my teacher one. So let's go ahead and look at groups. Okay. You can literally Miss Bird's class. You could do that. Okay, so that doesn't work. Let's maybe try. I'm gonna copy and paste the link that they gave me. Okay. It's just a temporary link. This group, you need a link in order to get in here. So maybe if I type it like that. Okay, so it says I'm already a member, but pretend like I'm a new person, okay? Um, and you should be able to join the group once you directly go to the page, Miss Bird's class, okay? It's not exactly showing me um, these web pages as if I'm not who I am. So that's the only drawback, y'all. But we got to be, we're going to be flexible. Um, and just try to figure this out. But this is what the Miss Bird's class page should look like. Please let me know if you have any difficulties. All right? Thank you guys. I look forward to reading your posts.